Well, I ain't tooting my own horn, but I got it out. Yep, it was pretty doggone easy, really. Pretty much unscrewed everything from the bottom, but didn't have to pull it out from the top. But here's my new one. Yeah. Golly. But I got to go get some oil. Says adding 4 more ounces to it. If you got rear AC, I guess it goes in right there. I'm just assuming. Well, that might be what causes so much to lock up. I don't know, but anyway. Yeah, thanks to Harold. Told me where to go get it. Global Parts Distributors. Anyway, I'm gonna head up in to the parts store and get my oil. And hopefully it'll go back in as easy as it came out. I hope. Where's my light? There it is. Yeah, I had to pull it out from the top there, but everything unbolted from the bottom was easy peasy.